this. I got this in exchange for a review. This is the Naturafic Psyllium Husk Powder, source of soluble fiber. I've got my whole little mixing station set up. It says to take about 4 grams and mix it into 8 to 10 ounces of water. So I've got water right here. I didn't really measure it. I'm thinking it's probably 10 ounces. It might even be a little bit more. It does state that you can mix this with water or juice. Anytime I do a taste test, I always do water just because I want to get an idea as to the real taste of it. Now, 4 grams, you all might be more familiar with that. I actually had my assistant figure out how much, and it said that it was about 1.5 teaspoons. So we're going to go ahead and get 1 teaspoon out of here, and then we're going to go ahead and get a half. Now, one of the things it does mention on the packaging is when you do this is to go ahead and drink it pretty much immediately. I don't know. I've heard some people say that it'll thicken up. I don't really know if that's the case or what exactly happens. Now, like I said, it does say water or juice. I'm doing water just to see the taste of it. If you're funny about things tasting, it probably would be a good idea to mix it in some juice. Also, you probably do not need a whisk like I'm doing. I just always do this because I can make sure that it actually gets stirred up and I don't have any lumps in it. Now, if you're doing a juice, it doesn't mention smoothie, so I don't know that I would take this and put it into like a blender. If you are going to mix it in with something that you got in the blender or that you made in the blender, I would probably recommend mixing it up, finishing it, and then just hand stirring it in. But anyway, like it says, drink immediately. So, well, not really bad. Um, it's more of, I'm trying to think, it's almost like when you mix something in the water and then you have like a real faint taste of something. That's what it's like. Now, I will say, with that being said, I probably would mix it in with something because it's a real faint taste. I don't really know what to say it tastes like. It doesn't really taste bad, but with that being said, I mean, you don't want to have to struggle to get it down every morning or whenever you take it throughout the day. So I would mix it in. You can mix it in with like a small thing of orange juice, apple juice, whatever like that. Like I said, if it is something you make in the blender, though, I don't think that I would put this in the blender. I'd go ahead and make it, take it out, stir it in. But anyway, there you go.